What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rough Builds, and Happy New Year to everybody. Today is January 1st, 2020. It's crazy to think about, but I hope everyone had a good night. Everyone stayed safe, no one drove, and everyone stayed in, just had a good time with family, friends, whatever you did. Hope you had fun. I'm out here working on the LS, and I am working on the oil pump, and there's it's a Morso, and it has a relief valve like spring in it. And this is a high pressure and high volume pump. So the guy I'm buying, Low John Motorsports, buying everything from him for my motor and so on. Talked to him about my combo, and he said, change out the relief valve spring that's applied with a red one inside of it for the high pressure, and it comes with a blue one if you want lower pressure. So he said he would just swap them, get the high volume, low or standard pressure, whatever. So that's what we're gonna do. I didn't see any videos on it, so I figured I would just try and make a video for everybody, and then finish up my other video on installing the oil pump as well. So here we go. So here are the instructions. It does come with new O-rings too. I'm not sure what pickup tube I'm using because I'm not using the stock one, as this was a all-wheel drive, so I just don't like the oil pump. It's bulky. So I'm not really sure which one I'm going to be installing. Whichever one I buy, I think I'm buying like a Holley pump. So I'm pretty sure it'll be the green one because I think that's like basic for LS. But I'm not 100% sure, to be honest. But there's instructions in here, and there's a black and a green, and it tells you, even on this one, whichever one your pickup tube looks like you would install. Here's the pump. I'll take it up and out of here. So it has this little plug here, and this is where the pressure spring is. So you have to get, I think, if I remember correctly, yeah, so it's a 5/16 or an 8mm for the plug. So just a little, oh geez. Just so you don't have to search for the right one, it's an 8. Just a heads up. All right, so the plug, I just blasted with the impact, nice and careful, not to mess anything up, but it was on there very good. So now, literally just take the spring out. This is the red one, as you can see. And the blue one, down in here. I'm gonna try and match these up. Both sides are like the same, like if you can see, they both have the tapered top where it ends there, so I'm just gonna throw it in the same way that it came out. Throw it in. And you just put this back in, start threading it in, and then it says here you torque the valve plug back to 12 Newton meters or 106 inch-pounds minimum. So that's what I'm gonna do next. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Go ahead, torque it down, and then throw her back on the motor, let her rip.
Found my way through the valley, smoking on Cali. Know when I run out, I'll re-up again. Confronted by demons, believe what you're seeing. I hope you know what you're up against. Fell in love with them flowers, shit give me powers. When hitting you feeling unique. Shawty talking about love, high off them drugs.